morning, good afternoon, or good evening, wherever you are. This is Mosquito 22.
So check out what we're gonna show you, because it's gonna be hot. Okay, so we found this place now. Look at these. We've just been told by this man up there that you can cut these and eat them. Hey, see. I don't know what he said, but we just laughed and just walk on, you know? Yeah. And look, guys, we just stepped down this little side road, and we just found another little piece of beach here. Look up there, baby. See? Look down there, baby. It's soft because the water comes up this far, yeah? Here we were at Bastion, and there were at least 6 along this coastline. We enjoyed all of it, sat, laughed, swam. It was wonderful. And here we changed location to Cagliari. What a busy, vibrant place to be. Check it out. From the central tourist board, they said to turn left up this street here, and that will take us to the first attraction. But we didn't do that. We went around and round in circles. We went to the harbour, we went to the market, we walked up and down the street, went into Castello, we went everywhere, and then we found it. Oh my gosh, but what an aerial view of the whole of the city and all of the buildings. We truly were blessed. Look at this, stunning. Then we had to top it off after all that walking around town with a little bit of restaurant food. We've been looking for some spaghetti bolognese. Couldn't find it. Only to find out it was called ragu. So we were ordering spaghetti bolognese, and this is what we got. 2 plates of nothing. But yeah, here's the accommodation we stayed in. It's on the beach. This is a back staircase leading from the property. Careful, though, it's quite high. Nah, hold on tight, don't worry. This is a nice staircase, and the railings you can hold on to take you down to the beach. So, let me show you what it looks like. Look at that. Yeah. Many a nice evening was spent looking at that, guys. Come on now. Talk to me. Very enjoyable. So I've been told by the boss to wrap it up, so yeah, that's exactly what I'm going to do. So thanks for watching. See you on the next one.